Pennsylvania State Supreme Court has spoken. Unless something else changes, mail-in ballot envelopes do need to be correctly dated in order for them to count. So what if you've already sent yours in and did not date it? With answers to that and much more, here's Eyewitness News Harrisburg reporter Seth Kaplan.
This is where you sign and this is where you date.
Even more important now than when we met Sarah Roberts last month because of this Supreme Court ruling. Not a full victory for either side, but from a Republican perspective,
the Supreme Court ruled that people should follow the law.
With this order not to count ballots inside undated or incorrectly dated envelopes, the court also ordered counties to set aside or segregate those ballots and envelopes after the election.
We have clear guidance now.
Representative Seth Grove, who chairs the State House Government Affairs Committee, says now it's time to modernize this 1937 election law.
We still have a provision that requires lanterns on election day at polling places.
But what if I want a lantern at my polling place on election day? Are you opposed to that?
You should get one. What law says you should get one.
That would be an uncontroversial change. But he also wants to include Republican priorities like a photo ID requirement to vote and post-election audits. A spokeswoman for Governor Wolf says Representative Grove tried to, quote, overturn the legally cast votes of millions of Pennsylvanians in 2020 and has no credibility on election issues. She said attempts to make it more difficult to vote in the name of security should be rejected by anyone who cares about the health of our democracy. And if you think you returned a ballot without the correct date right here on the outer envelope, either by mail or in an election office drop box, call your county election office now. There is still time for them to help you. In Harrisburg, Seth Kaplan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.